Dirt detectives, exploring the secrets of soil. Did you know that dirt is like a hidden treasure? Let's find out why dirt is so important for plants and our planet. Plant food. Dirt is like a yummy meal for plants. It gives them food, water, and a cozy place for their roots to grow strong and happy. Home for bugs. Lots of little bugs live in dirt. They help make old stuff turn into new dirt and keep plants healthy. Water helper. Dirt is like a big sponge. It drinks up rainwater and keeps it safe so plants can drink it when they're thirsty. Earth's skin. Dirt covers the ground like a soft blanket. It keeps the earth safe, helps plants grow, and keeps our planet happy. Dirt may seem plain, but it's super important for keeping our world green and beautiful. Let's grab our shovels and go on a dirt adventure to discover its secrets.
Soil is full of life. Beneath the ground, roots, tiny insects, and microorganisms work together to help plants grow and keep our planet healthy. Soil is just dirt with no life in it.
The answers is false.
Soil is full of living things like worms, bugs, and tiny bacteria. Soil is a busy underground world where tiny creatures, roots, and minerals work together to grow life. Fun fact: ants, beetles, and fungi all help recycle old leaves into fresh, rich soil.